Good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to be working on Lola today. We're going to be doing all the pre-work, getting ready for preparation for the BC Racing coilovers. Alright, stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so to start this build off, I want to do some pre-measurements for you because it's one of the things everybody kind of skips. So, to the bottom of the frame here, let's see if I can get this so you guys can see it. From the ground to the bottom is around 4 inches, and that's, depending on, little dents and dings and all that kind of stuff that's, from everybody lifting up the car. Wow, that makes the video, makes it look, this crack look really bad. It's not that bad, guys. But anyway, so that's 4 inches. And we'll move over to the tire here. So we got here, the top of the fender well to the tire. I'll go up for you guys. You guys can kind of see. Looks like it's about maybe 2.5 inches, give or take. Give me the right spacing. And then we'll go to the front. And we're a little bit lower up here, maybe 2 1/4. Obviously, the reason I'm getting coilovers is to lower a little further. Alrighty, yeah, so we're underneath the car right now, or you guys are underneath the car. I'm just going to take you around this is going to be the driver's side front suspension so you guys can kind of see what kind of condition it's in. I have done a few of the bushings. I needed to do the steering rack bushing still. Ball joints need to be replaced. Turn you guys around here. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Maybe I'll flip the mic around too. Sorry for the noise. Alright. Maybe that'll work. Okay, so you have the front suspension here. Like I was saying before, you have I replaced with the energy suspension bushings. I have the polyurethane bushings. Sway bar painted. Kind of cleaned everything up last time I was in here when I was installing the iBox springs. Plans are, so we need new ball joints, need new joints for your steering arms. I need to do the bushings for the steering rack and need some new boots because these are getting pretty bad. And that's about it. It's pretty clean. This is just plasti dipped right here for right now until I get it painted. That's what's kind of flaking off back here. But I will start dismantling the drip tray here, and we'll go from there. This one. Alright, yeah, so we're underneath the car here. Hopefully you can hear me. You can see those beautiful headers I got there. Yeah, it looks like everything's doing pretty good underneath here. Need to replace the sway bar bushings. And we'll bushings as well. Alright, so we'll start with sway bar.